How do you sell something invisible? You make an experience out of it. Hi, my name is Devereaux, and I'm the Chief Innovation Officer for Xerafina. Innovation means saying no to PowerPoint funerals. I make experiences and prototypes that help create conversational couches for leadership and client buy-in. In this video, I'm going to share a case study from my past. In 2019, I was thrilled to accept a role as head of technology for the incubation division at Verizon. As a ham radio operator, I'm obsessed with the RF spectrum and all forms of connectivities. However, I'd get in trouble for saying things like 1G and 5G travel at the same speed, the speed of light because it's electromagnetic energy. Fast forward to 2021, and I'm leading the advanced connectivity practice at Deloitte, and 5G is all the rage. Just like my time at Verizon, I saw consultants and strategists develop databases of literally hundreds of 5G use cases. Here's the problem though, the C-suite does not go shopping at the use case store. So how do I make this technology real for my clients? 5G operates across VHF, UHF, and EHF radio frequencies. Electromagnetic energy is odorless, tasteless, cannot be seen or heard. We lack the sensory organs to even access it. So how do you sell something invisible? After years of my personal 5G frustrations and immune to the telco Kool-Aid, I was forced to find a deeper problem worth solving. What's disruptive about 5G is not the speed, latency, or its place in the electromagnetic spectrum. What's disruptive is the first class of mobility that is not hardware defined, it's software defined. And with a background in DevSecOps, once I saw connectivity as code, it truly changes the way you see mission systems. For less than $1,000, I created a private 5G network in a box. This wasn't a use case, it was the real deal. A functional 5G network I carried onto a plane and delivered to a boardroom. I had a portable, field-capable 5G data center on public 5G CBRS spectrum. Clients could interact with the 5G cores on the touchscreen as an immersive experience, seeing the Docker containers stack up. I could demonstrate compression as a service, making my clients' big data problems feel smaller, reducing their data in motion costs. And I could show how to bootstrap advanced connectivity to dumb devices to add them to the network. And lastly, my clients could see that connectivity is code, and it didn't require a massive data center to run. And the best part is, the most expensive thing in this prototype was the laser etched plastic with the team members' names on it. Here's what I learned. PowerPoints fade, prototypes perform. Having a physical working solution rather than another deck meant my prototype traveled to client sites, conferences, and innovation fairs, thereby creating conversational spaces that couldn't exist before. 2, having something tangible that worked changed the narrative from use cases to here's what we can do with it. 3, organizations invest in technologies that make them money or save them money, which leads me to number 4. Documenting the economic savings value of private 5G was the solution, not the tech behind it. One client from a 5G partner saved $87 million a year just in OpEx by rolling their own private 5G network and cutting the cord with telco. And lastly, telco and hyperscalers spend billions in marketing using product as the hero as a sales strategy. True innovation comes from breaking past that hype and finding the angle of disruption, and that's what my 5G in a box prototype achieved. So the question is, what are we going to build together? Drop me a DM here in the app or email me directly at devereaux@xerafina.com and let's chat about your problem.